Good morning, honorable judges. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Adelia Eva Luriana and I'm from Third Senior High School of Tuban. And today I'm standing here proudly on the opposition side to reject the motion. This house would give social service and skill training for gambling offenders rather than imprisonment. My stance is very clear. Imprisonment must stay as the main punishment for gambling offenders. Gambling is not just a mistake, it's a serious crime that damages families, destroys the economy, and weakens social order. If prison is replaced only with training, the law loses its authority, the deterrent effect disappears, and society becomes unsafe. Yes, social service and skill training are good, but they should not replace prison. They should only be additional program inside the prison system. First of all, punishment is not only about helping the offender, but also about giving justice to victims and society. Gambling is not a small issue. Why? Because the law already gambling as a dangerous crime. If prison is replaced with training, society will think gambling is just a bad habit, not a crime. But in reality, many families are destroyed because of gambling. Many children lose their education money because their parents spend it on bets. And many people fall into debt. Is that a small problem? Of course not. It is crime against family and community welfare. Moreover, imprisonment gives a deterrent effect. People will think twice before gambling if they know the consequence is jail. Without this deterrent, more people may be encouraged to gamble because they know the punishment is light. For example, in Singapore, strict laws against illegal gambling, like prison sentence and heavy fines, have reduced gambling activities. But in countries where the punishment is lighter, the gambling problem keeps growing. This proves that prison is necessary to send strong warning. Second, gambling is not only about money. A strong addiction, even the World Health Organization calls it a gambling disorder. This means the main issue is psychological, not just about lacking job skills. If offenders are left free in society with only training, relapse is almost granted. They still be on the same environment, with the same friends, and with the same access to online gambling sites. The temptation will always there. In example, in Indonesia, police records show that many online gambling offenders will receive only light sanction and out gambling again. Some even change their methods to avoid detection. This shows that with the prison, gambling addiction will just continue. There is why prison is necessary. Inside gambling circle, then while they are in prison, the skill program in this way, they are put punished and rehabilitated. The point is not to replace prison, but to integrate rehabilitation inside. So in short, are left with only the training. Can I guarantee the families and communities are safe? The answer is no. Only imprisonment can isolate offenders and reduce the risk of future harm. According to the Indonesian National Police, in 2022, more than 200 online gambling cases were exposed. Many of those cases were not just gambling but also linked to money laundering and fraud. This proves that gambling is not just a personal problem but a real threat to national security and public safety. Now, being opposition does not mean I reject improvement. In fact, I believe in a better solution. Instead of removing prison, the solution to combine with rehabilitation. Offenders should be sent to prison to fix justice and deterrence. Instead prison, they should get counseling to religious education to reboot their values. After release, they should be monitored through probation programs so they do not return to gambling easily. That is why I strongly believe the best way is not replace imprisonment, but to combine it with social service and skill training inside prison. This way, there is both justice and rehabilitation. So, for the sake of justice, safety, and the future of our society, I firmly reject this motion. Thank you.